Who doesn't love discovering hidden gems that take your breath away? Imagine stepping onto trails where few have set foot. The Lost Valley Trail in Scotland, misty cliffs and green valleys create a surreal landscape. Wave Canyon Trail in Arizona, like walking through frozen ocean waves in the desert. Tiger Leaping Gorge in China, a thrilling trek along a cliffside with a roaring river below. These trails are challenging, but reward you with unforgettable views and experiences. Ready to explore the uncharted?